Hello ma'am, my name is Uma Mahajan and my today's topic name is Encapsulations in Java. Encapsulations is one of the fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, means OOPS, including Java. It is the concept of binding data and methods that operates on the data into a single unit known as a class. Encapsulations also involves restricting access uh, to certain components of an object and only exposing those components that are necessary for interacting with the object. This is usually achieved by making the fields of a class private and providing a public getter and setter method to access and modify these fields. I will they will provide an explanations of encapsulations in Java along with relevant code example, but 4,000 words might be a bit excessive in a single response. Uh, Instead, I can break it down into key sections, explaining the concept with code snippets and their applications. That is first is understanding encapsulations. Encapsulations as two main purpose, means first is a data handling by making field of a class. Data handling privates will prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Second is a control over data. Control over data means we can provide controlled access uh, to controls access to the data be using getter and setter methods. Uh, Encapsulations is often referred to as data handling because it allows objects to hide their internal states um, only internal states and only expose what is necessary. This helps in reducing complexity by limiting the interactions between objects and their inner workings, improving maintainability since internal implementations details can be changed without affecting other parts of the programs. Protecting data by enforcing rules through getter and setter methods. That is second part is implementing encapsulations in Java. In Java, encapsulations in implementing using uh, private fields. First is for private fields. Private fields declaring class fields as private ensure they cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. They can public methods getter and setters. These methods provides control access to private fields. Third is a third is a code examples. Basic encapsulations in Java. Let's consider a simple. Let's consider a simple examples where we define a class person with private fields for name and age and public getter and setter method to access modifies these fields. And fourth is how encapsulations works. That is the main part of the in the code above. The name and age fields are marked as private, so they cannot be directly accessed from outside the class. And the get names and set name methods to provide called uh, access the name field. The getter allows reading the name, and the setters allows modify it. So thank you, ma'am.